Hey guys, so last week we learned all about the elements of art and was a review of all the different elements like line, squiggly, and wavy, and zigzag, and spiral. And then when it comes back to where it starts, it creates shapes. There's organic shapes and geometric shapes. We also have 3D shapes that we call a form. Color can go from light to dark. You can mix color and make new colors. Texture is the way something feels, whether it's scratchy. Space is the space of the picture. And then value is the light and dark of a color. So here's what we're going to do today. We're going to be doing some really cool name designs. So if you notice, I have the letters of my name in different areas. So my first name is Megan. So here is my M. Here is my E. My G is hidden in the corner. My A. And then my N kind of created a zigzag. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill in those elements that we talked about into the spaces so you can make some really cool designs. All right, so let me show you how to do this. You are first going to start in pencil. So I'm going to use the name Carter. All right, so what I want to do is I want to create big spaces with big letters and have all the letters touch. So I'm going to start with my C. I think I'm going to even turn my page and make it really interesting. So here is a giant C. And then I might turn upside down and fill a big A at the top. And then let's get even more crazy. And I'm going to make a line, a circle to make my R. Where else can I do? I can do a T in the middle. Let's make it with really long arms. And then how about an E? What if I did this and then I put a line here, a line here. There's my E. And last is I need the letter R again. So I'm going to do one right at the top. Let's make it crazy. Way up here. There's my R. All right. So now it doesn't even look like a name anymore. It's just different lines that created space on the paper. So now the next part is to make it bold. So we're going to Sharpie. So there's two ways you can Sharpie. I can go directly on top of the letter and just trace the lines. Trace the lines. Trace the line. Or if you want to challenge yourself, you could do some bubble letters. So I could actually go around the lines instead. And now I have a bubble letter A that I can go back and erase my pencil lines. Okay, so there's a bubble A. I can do another bubble E. Right around. And then I'll do the rest here. All right, so once you get it all done, now comes the fun part of adding the details and designs. So you can use your choice of markers, crayons, colored pencils. I even have paint for you today if you would like to do that. So you're going to fill in the space as much as possible. Maybe I want to do some polka dots. There. And then maybe grab another color and I'm going to do some striped lines and fill in the space with striped lines. Crayon and watercolor paints have a really cool effect. So maybe I want to make this into like a galaxy. So I can do some stars, which I know you can't see right now. Any color works. It doesn't have to be white. But really cool when you paint over, like blue, the star is going to come through. Whatever you did with crayon will come through the image. You can also blend. Remember we talked about value of color. If I want to put a little purple next to my blue and then blend where they meet, Now it has a galaxy color to it. Let's keep going, add some more purple. I can go even further. Color wheel, back to red. Let's mix in some red into that purple. All right. So you can paint, color, markers. I want to see different patterns, different designs. You can add things that you like, maybe your favorite flower, color, Minecraft. All right, so have fun.